Hey guys, in today's video we're just gonna unbox this. So here's a quick view around the box to see if any information is missing from the website. Right now it's good to see this, but there isn't much. There isn't much information on the box itself, so I can tell you that right away. Anyways, let's just start the unboxing. So right now this is what you guys get inside the box. Just gonna start taking everything out. Here are the instructions. A quick start guide, which again, you will not need this since I'm just gonna make a quick video so you guys have to get started with this, which would be actually very quick. It's pretty easy. Now here it is, that's how it looks like, and there isn't much to it. It's very simple. Here's all the way around it. This tray does come out. Okay, underneath we can kind of see through, so you guys can take a better look at the type of light that's in there. But other than that, it's pretty simple design. I gotta say the plastic itself doesn't feel heavy duty, so I did expect something a little bit better for the price, but that's okay. Right here we do have a connection, DC, the on and off switch down here as well, and that's about it. There's not much to look at. Again, I can tell you that the plastic feels not the best, but not the worst. So it's just middle ground. Other than that, it is pretty big. If I compare this to an iPad, it would be an iPad Pro size maybe. But it does look pretty good. So for what it is, it looks pretty good. Now I will be doing a setup video on this, so make sure to check that out as well as the review. But for now, this right here that you guys see on the table is everything you would get inside the box. And that would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.